Hi, I'm Jen Woodhouse from the House of Wood, and today we're building an 8x8 pergola with the Outdoor Accents Sage system from Simpson Strong-Tie. Let's get started. For this pergola, we're using 4x4 nominal lumber. When choosing your wood, it's really important to make sure it's dry and straight so that it properly fits into the connectors. First, lay out all the corner connectors on the ground into a square, approximately the same size as your pergola. To avoid scratching the beautiful black powder-coated finish, I recommend placing cardboard or a drop cloth underneath. Then, set the beams into the top of each corner connector. Ensure the beams are in contact with the bottom of each connector before installing the screws. Next, install all of the accessible screws. Screws on the underside of the beams will be installed later. Now install the sunshade brackets in each corner and evenly space out and install the brackets on the top of each beam. Then clip on the sunshade. Now it's time to raise it up. Lift one side by the center of the beam and insert the posts into the corner connectors. If you haven't already, attach the post bases to the other end. As you can see, we attached our post bases first and then inserted the top of the posts into the corner connectors. Use a ladder to lift the opposite side and insert the posts. Make any final adjustments to the pergola positioning and use a level to plumb the posts. Now you're ready to secure it to the concrete. First, pre-drill the holes for the post bases using a 3/16" concrete drill bit. Then install the Titan Turbo screw anchors provided to secure the pergola to the concrete. Finally, install all of the remaining screws to the posts and the beams. From there, you can add rafters, lights, or other outdoor accents accessories to match your style. Now it is time to relax and enjoy your brand new pergola built with the Outdoor Accents Sage system from Simpson Strong-Tie. Learn more at strongtie.com/sage system.